Hi, welcome to this small video where I want to show you a couple of exciting new features in software release 4.2. So first of all, let me set up call to dial into the conference. Okay, so dial into the conference now.
Welcome to Unified Conferencing.
Alright, so as you can see, I'm in a conference now with other participants. So when I look at the 4.2 view on the touch panel, you got a couple of exciting new features. So what you can do is, besides the unmute, we have now the stop video. So in case you don't want to share the video, you can do a stop video, and what will happen is the participants in the call will see that the video is not available. So the camera will not send out any people video. So we can start it again and we're sharing again the video. So the other important feature added is under the layout. So now where we control the self view. So at the moment the self view is turned off. So what happens if I click this one? You can show your self view if you want. So now you can see I'm here in the call showing my self view, and usually just to have a quick view of the room and see if everything is under control. Camera got a good view, and then afterwards when I press it again, what you see here is we'll turn it off again. Okay, so that is the first thing you can control now here under the self view with the show self view button. So the other things we have is here the control of the MCU when you're in the room. The other thing is when you go to the camera, you got also new layout here. So under camera you got exact the same settings. So you control the camera, mute and unmute the camera, but also here you have your show self view button. So we added a lot more flexibility on the touch panel as people want to be able to turn the self view on or off. So as soon as you start sharing content here, so let me do that now, for example the visual board. So I can go here, I can go to show content. I got here the visual board. So as soon as I start my visual board, you got content now on the right side. So on the left side you got your people video, on the right side you got your content for the annotation. So if I go back now in the menu, and I can go here to cameras, and I can now also show self view if you want. So now you see on the right lower side you see my self view. It's a little bit smaller, but then you can easily adjust camera settings if you want to make sure that camera settings are correct. And if you want to turn self view off again, here you go. You can just press it here on the touch panel and you can turn it off.